Hey guys, sorry if you hear my sons in the background. They're playing in the room, but I'm so proud of my little DIY projects that I had to come on and show somebody because they're Mother's Day's presents, and I can't put them online or anything yet. So this one is for my stepmom, and it says keep your lashes long and your standards high. I am gonna get some little stands for them to go on, so they just don't have to sit them anywhere, you know. And I designed all of these myself on a editing app thing that I like to use. So I designed these, you know, the eyelashes and the lips are clip art, and then, you know, I designed them all. This one here is for my mother-in-law. Good things come to those who hustle, and it has a little pin at the bottom because she's an aspiring writer, so I know she'll like that. This one is for my grandma. She likes, you know, the black ladies. I know it sounds funny, but seriously, she likes the black ladies. And it says the best is yet to come. So I know she'll like that. This one is for my mother, and her nickname is Q. So I did this this clip art, and the eyelashes and lips were separate, so I tried to make it seem like they went together, but and it says Q stands for Queen, so wake up and be awesome. So I thought that would make her happy when she woke up and saw it in the morning. So yeah, that's it. Thanks guys. I'm really proud of these. I'm really proud. So